This is a trip about friendship. We are 13 aspiring materials engineers who went exploring Ibadan.
I would say this trip has been quite interesting. It was fun, all the adventures that we had and everything. Yeah, no about it.
I've been away for a while now and I'm back. On today's episode, I'll be traveling with my friends. Meet Farid, the entrepreneur and the fashion designer. He's always going around with tripod. Don't tell him I said so. This is Anu, also a fashion designer. Why do we have so many engineers who are into fashion designing and tech lately? Alright, let's hop on the bus and let's go explore. We got this bus from University of Ibadan, which had a federal government plate number and served as amenities to many functions. Meet Peace and Sheung, ladies in tech. At this point, we're all exhausted. Few of our guys missed the train, so we needed to wait it out at Amala Sky. This is that place everybody has been shouting about on the internet.
Everybody's looking up actually.
And here we've got tech, athlete, and photographer. If you're wondering why I was shocked, that's because Alasi braided his hair and I'm about to report to Dr. Videvu. It's been months now since we've been planning these trips. Yes, trips plural, right? Because we plan to visit as many states as possible. We are all materials engineers who want to explore beyond borders.
Let's go and study. Bro, I don't see returns.
Is it a court?
I don't know because nobody TikTok is going to bring me back to my FYP update.
Branch in Lagos.
Let me tell you, I'll finish my 5K.
Oh my god.
I'm myself by the because I don't know how much I did this. Maybe making a call for my Evidence, good way. Very good.
Very good. Focus. Is it focusing on you?
Yeah.
What's your review?
Are you shy?
No, I think she did not enjoy it. Since she's silent. What's her review? Good.
Yeah, had it. Nice. Very good.
You said?
Nice.
The food is nice.
It was actually good.
What's the
We
review?
see rice in it. We are going to make rice tonight.
So it's okay. Ayola, Dr. Ayola.
It's not very
What's the review? What's the review of the rice and
Playing
beans?
is fun.
Okay.
See that you are. How is the amala?
It's nice.
Okay, where is Johnny K? Johnny K is the amala. You do okay. You see, you cannot talk. How is the rice? Trillions.
The rice is rice. You go buy for
What a trip to Ibadan without visiting UI. We decided to take a stroll on the campus, visited the Faculty of Engineering and the zoo. Well, from what they said, the zoo was not zooing.
They have your video.
Hi guys. Peace now. Hi guys. Welcome to our YouTube channel.
Next up, we visited the Palms Mall where we had to go grocery shopping for most of the things we'll be eating all through our stay in Ibadan. Since we couldn't get pepper at ShopRite, we decided to get it on the streets by the roadside. This is Alasi, our chef, father figure, and husband material. Look at him arguing with the woman concerning the price of pepper and quantity. Oh my goodness, he was the right guy to send for such. Just leave bargaining to Alasi. hotels were not our best bet.
We rented a 4-bedroom apartment.
Let's take a tour around the apartment. Yes, we had other options, another 4-bedroom apartment with a pool, but those guys were saying we had to buy diesel to fuel up the gen during our stay. Ibadan and so many commas. This is the same city I told you guys that when you book Uber for 5,000 naira on the app, they get to tell you things like you are paying extra 2,000 naira.
Let's go know the member of this family. And just so you know, they are all engineers, starting with...
Hello, introduce yourself please.
My name is Basit, also known as Trillions. Follow me. What do you want me to talk? My name is Coca Olaim. What else? Studying metallurgical and materials engineering.
How is it
in the
going
lab.
so far to you?
Well, okay, can't complain.
What's that?
So let me introduce yourself.
Alpha. Ara Johnny K be this now. So Ara OG. Mad lads.
What do you study?
Me? Bro, I do a lot of things, man. You know, I can't tell you what I'm studying right now. Like I'm studying different things.
They are passing by to someone else.
Where's the next person?
Anybody?
Hey, so yeah, come here. Take. Wait till this one.
What will you?
Alright, introduce yourself.
Okay, I'm Wiz. I'm supposed to add permits,
You said, what do you study?
Metallurgical and materials engineering.
You have
University
any
of
like
Lagos.
to tell the audience?
I'm a designer. Check me out.
Designer.
Design Daddy, that's my name on Instagram.
So how is Ibadan so far?
Almost stressful. That bus ride home. We missed road, but thank God, Sha. The place is nice.
Alright,
Having a good time so far.
Bro, how far? My name is Toby.
What do you do?
What do? I eat for a living.
What do you study?
I study metallurgical and material engineering.
Okay.
Now my house now. It's my, better than my house. Now my house.
Hi, my name is Ayolaido.
Dr. Ayola,
Yes, sir.
what do you have to say to us about Ibadan?
Ibadan. Ibadan is cool.
Hey guys, my name is Alasi. I'm the chef for our vacation. And yeah, we're having a good time so far. I mean, we've gone to 1 or 2 places. We've been to the zoo, it's been fun. We've been to UI. Although this place is a distance and I fought with the person in charge of the house. But yeah, it's all fun. Expecting more. Tonight is movie night, I think. Yeah, so see you guys there.
So what's the expectation for Ibadan tomorrow?
My expectation is to cool off. I mean, Lagos stress has been a lot, work has been a lot, school has been a lot. Everything in general has just been choking. But my expectation is to cool off, have fun, away from the stress of Lagos. And you know, meet new people, go out, meet new people. I met one babe today, she was doing TikTok in UI, yeah. And I jumped into her video, you know.
So what are you doing now?
I'm just making scrambled eggs with bread because some of our friends have gone out to get rice, get chicken, stock up the kitchen. So while they are out, let me just, make bread and scrambled eggs so we can have something in our stomach.
Alright, now take us on the tour in the kitchen. Like, what do we have?
Okay, so this is the kitchen. I've not actually gone around yet, but we have eggs. Let me reduce the fire for this.
Oh, okay.
We have eggs, there's plantain, there's onions, there's pepper, there's Maggi, there's tea, there's Milo, noodles, custard, salt, sanitizer. You have to always maintain hygiene. Disposable cups because these boys are alcoholics. Tissue paper, sanitation. Curry, no time. Custard, bread. We bought 5, they've eaten 2. And egg is not ready.
How many members?
I don't even understand too. But yeah, basically that's everything. We have more things coming. We have chicken coming, rice coming, spaghetti coming. Eat till you faint. That's what
What do you have stacked in the fridge?
Okay, yeah, let me show you. So it's not, I didn't stack this. Mind you, the person behind the camera is the one that stacked it. Imagine, see, Red Bull. TJ bought Gordons too. TJ is the person behind the camera.
I don't know what Gordon is.
Then bottled water. Then we have some soda, more bottled water. And then the ladies got this. I don't know what this is. And this is, Hollandia. Yeah, so that's what we have in the fridge.
So where are the ladies right now?
They're the ones that went to get rice and chicken and snacks, yeah, for us to use. I don't want this thing to burn, that's why, yeah, I have to keep flipping it, Jigga.
So yeah, man, I can't wait to eat. My headbands, man.
See the kitchen rats.
Yeah, eating.
100.
We are heading out.
Where are you going to?
Going Ibadan City. So let's go. We are going paintballing, bro.
Okay.
Go to the team members.
Ní òwúrọ̀ yìí àwa sọ ti news ọmọ tó jalè. Àwọn ọmọ ọ̀daràn.
Naskra. Carry the money.
I'm not seeing the difference between your groups now.
We don't do.
Hey guys, what's up? We are about to paintball. TJ's been a bitch and is backing out because he had the ball. But yeah, we don't have enough guns, just 8, so we have to be a team of 4. But we're 13 and we're like, come on, how are we going to lose?
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that was a race from the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're worth my time, you're delirious, mysterious, because you are behind a fake exterior, inferior. You know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last.
Oh, you had fun yet?
Yeah, I did.
So you rate it on a scale of 10?
Some 8.5.
8.5
over 10, yeah.
It makes sense that it makes sense. Well, like, if you are not in Ibadan, you've missed a lot, bro. If you are not on this trip, you don't too miss. You don't too miss, guy.
Tell us about your best experience.
Now where we go play paintball now. And I just did chop, guy. I just did chop. Yeah, papa.
say this trip has been quite interesting to us. It was fun being on this trip. All the adventures that we had and everything. it was okay, Sha.
It was okay.
Yeah, no bad thing.
Bro, why do you want it, bro?
What was your worst experience on this trip?
My worst experience. The fact that there was no go-kart.
There's no go-kart.
Yeah.
What about your best experience?
Best paintball.
Paintball.
Chop.
I would say an 8.
8 over 10.
Yeah.
And would you like to, come for a trip like this again?
Of course.
Now we're going to Idu the fraud.
I think you guys say everything.
How do you feel about this trip?
It was okay.
It was okay.
Like,
What was your best experience?
paintball.
On a scale of 10 to trip.
7.5.
7.5.
Fantastic, we tried actually.
On a scale of 1 to 10.
10 over 10 because it was, should I say impromptu? No, not really impromptu, but we tried actually. But you see people who get this reading. What deserve?
What was your best experience?
Best experience, I have 2 highlights.
Number 1.
Alasi, please! Alasi, please! My second highlight is no close range care. March.
Your experience about this trip?
Anyways, we had fun. After exams, it was just very relaxing. Plus, I went through a lot last week, so it was relaxing.
So, on a scale of 10, what were you rate this trip?
10.5.
10.5.
10.5.
What was your best experience on this trip?
Has to be yesterday.
What happened yesterday?
When we were paintballing,
I went paintballing. Okay.
then
Then what?
they were losing. Then I said, no close range, Joe. And he's like, no close range care. Hey, man,
So,
and we were just chilling and vibing yesterday.
so overall, on a scale of 10, how will you rate this trip?
10 over 10 now.
10 over 10.
Yeah.
No man, if I don't chop, guy, life don't sweet, guy. Worst experience, guy. No go-kart, guy. Like no other recreational activities for IB, guy. You get, we'll give out like 8.
8 over 10.
Yeah, but Lagos is better than IB, bro. Ibadan can never be Lagos. Difference is clear.
As you guys can see, it was a very incredible trip. Incredible, fantastic. My own rating, 11 over 10. I enjoy my life. I was had fun, I don't want to go back to Lagos. No, I want to go back. I want to go back. My money don't finish, I need to go back to my house.
Not script. You're so much, you're rude. Just say, I've not started. So yeah, we've come to the end of Crystal Trip 1.0. We go again December. The year.